Grey. We've got a Maserati Granturismo. This is a 4.2 petrol automatic. It's done 68,000 miles from new. It's got a few modifications on this car from the previous owner. It's got a full body kit. It's got also the rear diffuser, carbon fibre rear spoiler. It's all in really lovely condition. I mean, the car's 2008. It's done 68,200 miles in that time, which is nothing. And look at it. It's absolutely immaculate inside and outside this car. It's got a nice service history with it. Like this sort of modified gear stick on it. All this sort of black and red stitching on the centre armrest was an option. So it's had some sort of real nice personal modifications to this car. And well, what can I say? It's an absolute bargain. The car's going up for sale for $16,995. If you're interested, please get in touch. Thanks for watching.